I'm out. I'm all warmed up now. Fell in this morning. Well, didn't fall in, but got wet. It's warming up. You can see stuff's kind of not as freeze. It's probably at least 15 degrees warmer. I'm gonna get up here to a place I can actually surface on. It's not gonna be real good, but I have a chance like before. So if I see anything, I will get back to you later. All right, you can see here, right in here is where I found all them street pavers a long time ago. It's rough finding any street pavers anymore because I've found them all around here, except for the new places that wash out. And I got one back here, I think. Let's look here. This sure looks like one sticking out right here, folks. And it looks like a nice one. Oh. Yes, it is. It has writing on it, all right. It's worth the trip. I've seen many of these, and look at this wash down in here. Could find an artifact too. I haven't even started looking for arrowheads yet. We'll have to get this on the way back. The water's still gonna be cold, but. Ooh. Youngstown, Ohio. Youngstown, Ohio. Sisler, I think, pavers. Well, we got a paver. I'll put this here and get it on the way back. If I see any artifacts, I will get at you. I found some pretty nice points here in the past. Kirk stuff and, well, it's all been old stuff, but I will get back later. All right, I'm scouring this beach. I've been finding flakes. There's another one right there. But right here's a piece of Indian pottery. I have the potential to find something else today. I didn't think this was going to be this good. Look at this wash. I'll get back if I see anything. It's a cool looking rock. Let's wipe that off. Might polish this one. God, look at that green. That's beautiful. Take that one. All right, I'm back. I've been walking some places. Let me get in my pocket here, but I got an artifact right in front of me. It's still, look at this cool old melted ink I found or something. It's an old cork, but it's just melted. I found it in gravel. It's cool. But I got, let's see here. I got just like tons of little flakes of flint. And I got another piece of worked hematite there. And these stones that look like cups. This is what they look like. They have like a nodule on the inside, you can see there, and when that leaches out, it looks like an artifact. The Indians used them, but they'll have working in them if they used them and made something like that out of them. Most of them are just natural stones, and right there's proof of it. But right down here on the ground, I've got an awesome piece of rubbed hematite. It's a paint stone. I love these things, and look at this one. It's bi-pointed. See what we got here. Ooh, it's a nice one. It almost looks like some kind of little like tie on Atl-Atl weight or something. This is very odd. Look, it's humpbacked. That's definitely what that is, I would say. Yes. Oh, it is. This is rare, folks. All right. I thought it was a paint stone, but that's, you see, because of the weight of it, it's smaller. I found these before. That's a tie on Atl-Atl weight. Oh, man. It's what I think it is. Look, right there, folks. That's it. You know, it's not the greatest thing, but considering what it is, that's pretty nice. Got that streamline shape right there on the arrow shaft. Later, or on the Atl-Atl setup. Later. Man, that surely looks like a piece off something there. Maybe not. That looks worked. Look at that. It looks like a little celt. And I've found them here before. But I'm extremely pleased. You know, I've been looking on and off all day, and that's what it takes. But, man, that's a nice hematite piece. And that's definitely something Atl-Atl related. Found these before, and that is rare. It's flat on that side. That's nice. I'll put up pictures. It's a good find, folks. Better than the point this morning. Way better. Later. Alright, I tried to get my buddy to come over. They're kind of sluggish, I think, because of the cold. There's a whole bunch more over there, and there's one out there. But they're not. Come on, buddy. He's not wanting to come over, so no horses today. Later, folks. I'll get back on my next one. Nice fun today. Later.